At Century 21 Legendary Realty, we just don't sell homes.
We sell lifestyles.
When we imagine the perfect place to call home in Los Cabos, we picture a space that feels like vacation but functions like real life.
A home where our daughter can grow up safe and happy, and where we can enjoy every stage as a family without giving up comfort or style.
Vista Vela Sunset offers stunning homes and condos that blend modern design with everyday functionality. Starting with units at $260,000, this project definitely delivers.
Spacious layouts, beautiful finishes, and unbeatable value in Cabos must sought after location. And yes, both homes and condos are for sale.
And this is where Vista Vela Sunset truly shines. The lifestyle, pool days, morning workouts, social spaces, even a playground for the little ones, it's all here. At Vista Vela Sunset, it's not just about buying a property, it's choosing the lifestyle you want to live. We are Bere and Jon from Century 21 Legendary Realty.
Let us show you why Vista Vela Sunset might just be your next chapter.